The Carlson Graduate Business Career Center recognizes the importance of your career development during your professional degree program, and we have many resources to help you along your journey. Not only do we have teams of career coaches and business development professionals who work on your behalf to connect you to the opportunities you want, but we offer many other resources to our students like small group interview prep, a library of reference books to keep you sharp, and phone interview rooms to give you the space you need when making contacts across the country. The foundation of your time with the Career Center is your one-to-one relationship with your personal career coach. This is where some of the most meaningful, unique work happens, and you have complete access to your coach during your time at Carlson and beyond.
Our Career Center is pretty unique, and I feel like we give incredible service. And there's one major reason why. We have small programs, and we have a big team. There are 13 of us, and what that means is there's a small ratio between Career Center staff and student. So that means we get to know our students really, really well. We get to know you as people, what you want, what your interests are, what your goals are, and so we can give really personalized service. And that is the factor that sets Carlson apart.
I came in thinking I had a pretty stellar resume, and it got torn to shreds about 7 times. And although that might sound discouraging, it was one of the best things that ever happened to me, because it showed me the difference between what I was doing and what was right.
So just they're thinking about what you're looking to do, and they'll be there to, hey, pay attention. Here's this. Like, if you have any questions, come to us. Here, this is something available. Do it.
They're very hands-on. I have a career coach who's been with me through my entire career search process, and that goes from internship all the way to coming up on graduation and beyond. I can make an appointment with them whenever I need to, and as a career changer, I know that if you're on a career track and you want to go to a different way, they can really help you figure out the best way to do that.
So one of the biggest roles of the GBCC is in developing and exposing students to a lot of different career opportunities. So here in the GBCC, we work really hard to develop internship and full-time employment opportunities with partner companies that are both within Minnesota, but then also within the US as a whole, and then internationally as a whole. So that's really our biggest role that we're trying to get out to the students. We have over 200 different information session events that happen each year, and then each year we also have over 190 opportunities that come onto campus to do on-campus interviews, and that could be a wide range of opportunities, whether it's HR, marketing, strategy, finance, consulting. It's a broad range of opportunities that those companies are coming onto campus for.
The best experience that I've had is with the BD team, specifically with Brian. As an international student who's interested in technology companies, which are mainly on the West Coast, it was really challenging for me to make those connections there, and considering that you cannot have those one-on-one coffee chats with them. So Brian, throughout the process, really helped me to make those connections with the alumni, with the HRs, and also by sending resume books to those companies. I think that kept me encouraged for the entire time. And
when I first came to the program, I found the whole on-campus recruiting, networking, and all those expectations really daunting. And I think just having the GBCC as resource has always been helpful, but it was very hard to navigate exactly what to do, and it always kind of seemed like there was a lot of expectations that were unsaid. So it was really helpful to kind of get a baseline and grounding from the GBCC's coaches.
In addition to the large selection of workshops, speakers, and career information sessions, we deliver a wide range of valuable opportunities for students to take advantage of. Things like mock interviews, salary negotiation support, and career treks around the country. These things expose students to companies, alumni, and new markets to consider on their career path.
So whether your professional goals are to accelerate in your current career field or to make a significant career change, our team here at the GBCC will support you in the process the entire way.
We don't stop serving you when you finish the program. We have lifetime alumni services. You get us for life, and that is pretty unique from a career center as well. So what that means is the career coaching can continue throughout your time as alumni. You're now included in professional development events that are geared towards working professionals, and you get included in opportunities to continue to give back to the community and to serve students as mentors, helping them with interview prep, even continuing to coach them.
We work together very intentionally to make sure that your career search is individual to you and that you find the role that's most fulfilling.